Got a Jack Harlow lesson for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play What's Poppin'. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of two chords, the first of which is an E minor chord with a B bass. So for this, you're going to bar the 7th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the B string. And next is a C major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 8th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 10th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 9th fret of the G string. Then you're just going to go back to the E minor with the B bass. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for What's Poppin'. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.